Hi, today I'm going to be showing everyone a demo of Metacoder's new interface for data modeling. So first, pretty straightforward, you upload your data set. Here we're going to be looking at variables that affect the hardness of concrete. So here your data set's been uploaded and you see the only blinking icon to select is the variable selection. So here, first you choose your target series, compressive strength, then your holdout ratio, a number between 0 and 100. We'll submit that. Now you see a summary of the variables and their relationship with our target series. And here you can select or deselect variables or repair your missing records. So that's what we're going to do now. Click here. We see we have 3 missing values. Either we can replace these by a target nearest neighbors approach or a target nearest neighbors aggregate approach. So here we're just going to set all of them to the target nearest neighbors. Okay, so that's done. And we'll continue using all the variables. So now you see we've got a summary of the data set, including the number of rows, columns, and a general statement about the properties here. These are the top factors: CC, superplastic, and age of the material. We can see more, and we'll just continue. So the next step would normally be feature selection, but because of the properties of the data set, we don't actually recommend that. So we're going to continue on. And here, the compressive strength is a value, so we want to be using a regression model. And these are the suggested regression models. So based on the size and the dimensionality of the data, we use lasso or ridge CV as the recommended model. Let's try using ridge. Here you've got your customizable parameters. We're going to yes, fit, and intercept. You can also see all the different details of each of these parameters here. So GVC mode, we're going to use SVD. And whether to store the cross-validation values, we're going to say no. All right, so process the data. Here you've got your list of all the models that have been trained. And we're going to analyze this one that we just ran. We can see the holdout samples and the in-sample data and all the coefficients and properties of the data set, export the coefficients, and take a screenshot of the screen here so that it's presentable. So that's a quick overview of using Metacoder to predict the compressive strength of concrete just based on the data that we have in sample. So I hope you find this useful and have a good day.